Hi everyone, how are you? I hope all of you are doing really good. So if you are a CA intermediate student, this video is going to be extremely useful for you guys, right? So do not leave this video here and watch it till the end. And after the end, do let me know in the comment section if it was useful and share with all your friends. Okay, what this video is all about? This video is all about paper number 6A, that is financial management, how to proceed with the revision of that. Especially when you are approaching your exams, when your attempt is near, you are into the revision mode. Many students I have seen, they are wondering about, confused that how to start with the revision, how much of the time should be given for revision, which topic we should be doing, which topic we should be focusing more on. They need certain guidance, they need certain standards to be set for them. They need someone who can give you the detailed revision plan. This is what exactly it is, that how to go about with the revision of the financial management subject, paper number 6A, one of the most scoring subjects of group 2. So if you are preparing for group 2, watch this video till the end. So this is your financial management revision schedule. This is a detailed schedule which I'm going to share with you. Sir, how can we get the PDF? Okay, I'll tell you everything, that how you can avail the PDF of this. This PDF I'll upload in my Telegram channel and the Telegram group. There you will get this PDF. I'll upload it. As well as if you want the direct link, you can tell me in the comment section, write the PDF link in the comment section. I'll share the PDF link with you guys. Okay, otherwise you can join the Telegram channel and the Telegram group. There I'll upload this PDF. What I have done in this schedule, so it is quite self-explanatory, but I'll tell you how to read this. What I have done is, first revision. I'm talking about which revision? I'm talking about the first revision that you will be doing. In the first revision, I have taken the chapter name, estimation of working capital. Then I have divided the chapter into topics, that which are the important topics. I'm talking mainly about the practical topics, right? Operating cycle, estimation, and double shift to working. Then what I have done is, I have explained here that how much time should be for the concepts revision. Remember, in the first revision, how you are going to proceed about. In the first revision, you will be doing the detailed revision of all the concepts which are there, all the examples that I have taken in the lectures, everything. The detailed part you are going to do it in the first revision. So it should take approximately 25 minutes, 45 minutes and 15 minutes. After that, the question practice should take how much time? The question practice here means, when you are doing first revision, some questions which are difficult ones, you will do it in the writing, right? It involves what? It involves the written practice of the questions. Very important, right? Total time. So all these chapters I have divided into various topics, and this green part shows what? This green part shows which are the important topics. I have written focus more on estimation of working capital. Right? Estimation of working capital means where we calculate the current assets, we calculate the current liabilities, and then we calculate net working capital with the safety margin. That topic is more important one, but that doesn't mean that you have to leave the other topics. Right? Now, what this time limit helps you with, this gives you the standard time, that okay, this topic should be done in this particular time. I have taken it as a standard time. Now, the actuals may vary from student to student, right? If you are very much clear with the concepts in the class itself, then you might say that, sir, we don't need 25 minutes for operating cycle, we need only 10 minutes. But if you think you are little bit on the slower side, then you might take 25 minutes to 30 minutes maximum, right? But I have given you an approximate standard, that how much time should be spent in that particular topic. If it is 25 minutes, you can go up to 30 minutes. But if you are taking 1 hour for that, that means there is serious problem with your preparation. That means you need to seriously consider where the lapse is. You need to cover that, right? So this time is going to give you the standards, the standard time it is. For every chapter I have done, for cash management, for receivables management I have done, for ratio analysis, all the ratios, individual ratios, short-term solvency, long-term solvency, capital structure, coverage ratios, turnover ratios, profitability ratios, everything I have given. Why I have written, if you see here, why I have written nil here? Because in the ratio analysis, what is the approach? In case of ratio analysis, the approach is first cover all the ratio concepts. After that, question practice I have written separately, that at least 3 hours, 3 to 4 hours is minimum. And here your first focus should be on the ICAI module. No other book. Your first and the foremost focus should be on the ICAI module. Very, very, very important. Right? Okay, focus more on balance sheet questions. These are the questions which are normally asked on the higher side in the examination. Fine, sir. Then we are coming to capital budgeting. Very, very important chapter. This is one of the most important chapters that you have, that is capital budgeting. So I have divided all the topics, minutes, and number of hours for the question, right? Payback period, time value concept, discounted payback period, I have written nil because there are no individual problems in the ICAI module, right? So you can practice this with the other problems. Then you have leverages, you have cost of capital, you have capital structure. So I have written all the detailed part, approximately 45 hours. Now see, what I have done here is, if you look at my regular course, if you are my regular course student of financial management, my regular course is somewhere around 100 hours. That is what I take. Even if I'm taking a face-to-face batch or I'm taking a recorded batch, the recorded batch might be somewhere little less. Face-to-face batch, the queries are more in the face-to-face batch. So it is approximately somewhere between 100 hours. I'm taking face-to-face batches also, right? So it is approximately 100 hours that I take. Now, first revision will take how much? See, the first revision that I have prepared here, the first revision is taking somewhere between 45 to 50 hours. That means the 50% of the time of this. Right? And when you are going for the second revision, sir, how many revisions are required? See, minimum of 2 revisions are required. Here it should be 50% of this particular time, that is approximately 25 hours in the second revision. Right? This should be the clear-cut strategy for any paper. Right? First revision, 50% of the regular batch time, 50 to 60% you can go for, depending upon your preparation and your the grasping speed. Then second revision should be 50% of the time of the first revision. Very important. Please keep a check on the time. The time management is going to be the key when you are moving to the revisions part. This is very, very important, and that is why I have given you the clear-cut minutes that is going to help you in the time management, that how you are going to manage your time with each and every topic. Not only the each and every I'm getting this chapter, but in the chapter also, each and every topic, how you are going to manage your time in that, the micromanagement that we say, this is what I have done in this particular PDF. And believe me, if you follow this, nobody can stop you from clearing the financial management paper. This is extremely useful. I've spent approximately 6-7 hours into different days on making this, refining this. So, right, so this is on your everything about the first revision. Then I have given you what? The first revision should include going through all the concepts and module questions in depth, right? And the selected questions, you will be writing it down. You will do the written practice, which is very, very important. After this, do at least 2 RTPs, 2 revision test papers after the first revision. Written practice is utmost important at this stage, especially the tough questions. That is what I'm saying. The written practice is going to be the key, and that is going to make the major difference in the examination, the time management. Select the questions to be done in the second revision, which you feel are tough or you got stuck, right? Which you feel are tough for you. So, these toughness of the question, that okay, one question is really tough, another question is very easy, it varies from student to student. So I leave it to your discretion that which question you feel, because one question I might feel is very tough, but the other student, your friend, might feel, oh, it's a very simple question, what is there in this question, right? So it's your discretion. You have to select that which question is going to be tough for you. You have to revise it again in the second revision. Now, second revision tips, approximately 20 hours or approximately 20 to 25 hours. This should be the time limit for your second revision. Reduce the above mentioned time to half. In the second revision, focus more on the tough questions selected during the first revision. At the end of second revision, attempt 2 to 3 mock test papers now. Revision test papers you are done with. Now you have to go for the mock test paper after the second revision. During second revision, mark the questions to be done on the last day, that is on the 1.5 days that you will get before the examination. Written practice should be done only for selected question. Please do not waste too much of time on the written practice in the second revision. Only the selected questions pick up. Written practice in that in the second revision should be on this part, the mock test papers. Very important. Clear with this thing? Then you can read this journal preparation tips I have given. The written practice is the key. Do not get too much of material. Now this is one very basic mistake, right? Some of you might be doing that. We will get so many study materials of every faculty. We are going to get the study materials, and at the end, during the exam days, we do not know where to study, ultimately study from, right? Please do not commit such a mistake, right? In case you feel a question is extremely difficult, do not waste too much of time on whatever you can try and move on. Now, in the examination, this is a very important tip. If you get stuck in a particular question, do not waste too much of a time, half an hour, 30 minutes, 40 minutes you are spending, and still you are not able to solve that question. That is an absolute waste of time. Whatever you can understand, whatever you can solve, just do that much, move to the next question. Very important, right? Tell yourself every day that you are made for this course, and the day is not far when you will be a proud chartered accountant. Now, this is something what we call it as manifestation, the dream that you have seen. Please do not give up on that dream. Those two words literally mean a lot, and do not give up on this dream, right? 45 days before exams, limit your social media usage. Very important. Just use it for the purpose, only for the exam purpose, and that's it. Near exams, stop the discussions with your friends. Focus only and only on your preparations. Yes, very important. Please do not discuss too many things with your friends. Okay, staying calm and composed during those 3 hours of examination is really difficult, but we need to practice it. And what is the way to practice it? The only way to practice it is this particular part, that is writing the mock test papers. That is going to give you the practice. Clear? Having sufficient sleep will be very important to keep you mentally and physically healthy during the exams also. I know there is a lot of pressure, 14, 15 hours, 16 hours we are going, but at the same time, at least 6 hours of sleep is very, very important so that you stay alert in the examination, those 3 hours. The only person who can motivate you and define your success story is you yourself. Watch for n number of motivational things on the YouTube. On internet, you will find n number of videos on the motivation. But the problem is what? You watch the video, you stay motivated for 5 minutes or 10 minutes, and after that, your mind is back to your things. Right? So it's you who have to motivate yourself every day. Stand in front of the mirror, tell yourself that I am the best, I can do this course, nothing is difficult for me. This is a challenge that I have taken up. This is a dream that I have seen, and nobody else is going to fulfill this dream for me. It's only me who is going to fulfill this dream. So I will work hard for it. And I will definitely achieve those 2 words, the CA, the Chartered Accountancy 2 words, which I am going to get it. Tell yourself every day. Start this practice right now. Right? And this is one thing that I have given you, the manifestation thing. Group 1, Group 2, write your marks, whatever the marks you want to achieve in this, right? Advanced accounting, how much marks do you think? 65. Corporate law, 60. Taxation, 60. How many marks you see that you can achieve? Just write down your marks, paste it in your room somewhere near your table where you can see it day out, day in, day out. You can watch it, right? So start manifesting. The things will fall in place automatically. Right? So please let me know in the comment section, how was it? Is it going to be useful? I think it is going to be extremely useful for you people. That micromanagement of the time that I have done topic wise, not only chapter wise, the topic wise, the micromanagement that I have done, it is going to be extremely useful. And if you follow all the tips which I have given in this PDF, I think you are good to go for the examination. Your financial management is going nowhere. You will champion this subject and you will be absolutely worry free for this subject. If you want something similar for costing, let me know in the comment section that, sir, it is going to be useful. Please prepare for costing also. For costing, I have not yet prepared. For financial management, I have spent a lot of time on this. management, but if you want it, I'll definitely prepare for you. But the important thing is share with all your friends so that I get to know. I also feel motivated that okay, financial management you have given so much of love, so I'll prepare for cost accounting also. That is going to be extremely helpful for you guys, right? So if you find this video helpful, hit the like button, hit the hype button also, and share with all your friends. That will give us the motivation to go ahead and prepare and make more content for this. And also comment about one thing: if you need the revision videos, revision detailed concept revision videos of financial management and cost accounting, that will give me the motivation if you comment down in good numbers. Okay, so this is all about this video on the financial management revision schedule. I hope this is going to be extremely helpful. You will follow it. I know the following this kind of a pattern is going to be difficult because our human brain is accustomed to skip the things, motivate for a few minutes and then skip the things. But I know you people are extremely good. You people are the future chartered accountants, and being the professionals, you will professionally manage your preparations also. So all the best for your preparations. Till then, stay safe, stay healthy, keep studying, keep sharing. Thank you so much.